Today, I'll walk you through how to create a project manager in Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up a project management system so you can streamline your tasks and enhance your productivity. Let's get started. First, navigate to your Notion page. This is your canvas where all the magic happens. You can think of it like opening a blank notebook, ready for your ideas and project's visual cues. Once you're on your Notion page, look for the Add a Page button. This is where you'll kick off your project manager setup. Clicking this button is like opening a new chapter in your notebook visual cue. Next, you'll want to click on Templates. This option will help you explore pre-built layouts that can save you time and effort. Think of templates as blueprints for your project manager visual cue. After that, click on Templates again, but this time, you'll be directed to the Notion Marketplace. Here, you can find a variety of templates created by other users. It's like browsing a store for the best tools to help you manage your project's visual cue. Now type Project Management into the search bar. This will filter the available templates to show you exactly what you need. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The functionality remains the same visual cues. Once you see the options, choose the desired template and click on it. This is where you select the layout that resonates with your project style. It's like picking the perfect outfit for an important meeting visual cue. After selecting your template, click the plus Add button. This action will add the template to your left pane, making it easily accessible. It's similar to placing your favorite book on the top shelf for quick reach visual cue. Finally, open your new project manager and modify it to tailor-fit your needs. This is where you can customize the layout, add tasks, and set deadlines. Think of this as decorating your workspace to inspire creativity and productivity visual cue. And there you have it, you've successfully created a project manager in Notion. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.